Okay, so let's clean a little because we have multiple functions happening within the same setting, and we wanted to have them so that we can create a ribbon toolbar and things happening around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one like at least 3 times, calling the first one, it's going to be 02. It needs to be the selection of objects. Just need to be careful with the spaces. Selection of objects. The other one is going to be called the 03 instance extraction. Zero 04, we're going to call it symbol extraction. Zero 05, we want it to be element types, extraction. The last one, rename, it's going to be family instance creation. So yeah, then this one just to be changed so that it becomes 7, so that we can have them, all of them. So selection of objects, we were just using the function selection of objects. All of the other ones are irrelevant. And the thing it was doing the selection of objects. I think it's analysis dot show elements data, selected elements. So it's good to keep it this way because that we can know what we have achieved so far. So this one is called, check the name, it needs to be selection of objects. Then we can go instance creation, 03, instance extraction, sorry. Instance extraction is using family instance. Instance data. We can get the rid of these ones. So even though commented is useful, just keep it as clean as possible so that when you're debugging, it will be easy for you to know what might be the problem. Symbol extraction. 04 symbol extraction. Yeah, we can use the one we have it with the specific family selected. Without the transaction, that's it. 05, we have the element types extraction. Element type extraction is this one. Types extraction, and the last one is family instance creation. So we just need to have the symbols, we just need to have the elements, the levels, sorry, and that's working fine for that. So yeah, the naming 06 family instance creation, element types extraction, family instance creation, main add-in structure, and we will continue working with this. So yeah, so that we can modify it.